The topic of this video is how to delete cookies and cache on laptop and PC. Guys, we have tons of helpful resources in the description of this video. Definitely check that out, links below. Alright, so now if we want to clear our cookies and cache on Chrome, what we want to do is go to the top right hand corner over here. These three little dots. Then what we want to do is we want to go down to settings. Here in settings, we're going to go to privacy and security. And in here, we're going to click on delete browsing data. And over here, you will see we have cookies and other site data and cached images over here. You can also opt to delete your browsing history. And when you're ready, just hit delete data. Now, you also have advanced options on this tab over here, so you can get a little more in depth as to what you want to delete. And you can also set time ranges on the top here. And that is really all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description for those helpful resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.